We are going to apply teal and orange in this picture. First of all, go to light tab, then pump up the contrast to +10, then reduce highlights to -40, -40. Okay, now increase shadows to +20, also whites to +10, then pump up the blacks to +40. Now go to color tab, increase the vibration to +60 to 70. Okay, reduce saturation to -10. Now go to color mix, then increase hue to +10, reduce saturation to -10. Don't touch luminance. Now go to orange, reduce hue to -16, saturation move to +20, reduce luminance to -10. Now go to yellow, reduce hue all the way up to -80, increase saturation to +26, also increase luminance to +25. Now go to green, reduce hue all the way up to 90, -90. Reduce saturation all the way up to -50. Reduce luminance to -20, -20, 22. Okay. Now go to aqua. Increase hue all the way up to +60. +60. Okay. Reduce saturation all the way up to negative or -50. Increase luminance to +30. Now go to blue. Reduce saturation to -75. Pump up saturation to +25. Reduce luminance to -10. Okay. Now go to effects tab. Increase clarity to +20. increase the haze to +10, adding little bit of vignettes, maybe up to -10 or so. Okay, you can play with all these settings if you want to, according to your preferences. We have actually applied a little bit of teal and orange into this picture.